All right, welcome to step one. We're setting you up with how to send an email out using My Lead Gen Secrets. We're using this, my team and I, to build and promote HempWorx. You could use these leads to promote practically anything that you want. The results we're getting here very early, and I emphasize early, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute, are phenomenal. The last time I checked, I was getting 33-cent pre-enrollees. And for those that don't know, those are highly qualified leads that have gone through, they're not just leads here, these are 1-cent leads. You can actually get them down to a half a cent. I'll talk about that in a minute. But then we promote to these leads, and then they get sorted further and opt in to our lead capture page. And then that's a pre-enrollee. And I was getting 33-cent leads last I checked. And I already got an enrollment that produces a $100 to $200 bonus, depending on what country they're in, where they come in. But I only spent $7 worth of these leads so far to do it. And I can email these leads over and over again. So those are phenomenal results, 33-cent highly qualified leads. I can email these leads over and over again to get more from that. And already a huge positive return back in terms of cash flow. Now, again, it's very early, but I've got a large team that have jumped in testing these with me. And here early, the results are confirming this is definitely where we want to put our focus as far as where you set someone up to start promoting first, to start contributing to the growth of the team, to start getting pre-enrollees fast and easy themselves. In fact, this is step one now. The results are so good, I've made this step one. Anyone who enrolls with me, this is the first step they take, even before we give them our more sophisticated marketing funnel. And that way they can start emailing right from this platform, start contributing to the growth of the team line, boom, right away, feel good about that themselves because they're in action, they're momentum, they're getting results. And then step two is to get our marketing funnel. And then we show them how to send an email to the pre-enrollees to refer them into our marketing funnel that further sorts and qualifies and presents for them. And that's the exact same process that I took that got the executive enrollment already with these leads. First, I send them to our HempWorx funnel. Then I send them to our more sophisticated funnel. But somebody can start from step one. Just get them set up with this. As soon as you enroll somebody into HempWorx, or if you enrolled them before and they're not sure where to begin, send them your referral link. It's right here. If you go to the homepage when you're logged in to your My Lead Gen Secrets back office, My Lead Gen Secret back office, send them this link. It's different than what you're looking at here. Get yours, send it to them. That's step one, so they can start getting leads. And then they just plug them into my training. I give them the emails to send out. We're testing different subject lines. Like we do all that in our support group. Once somebody gets signed up into this, just email our support team and let them know your username so they can confirm you're in our network. And then they'll plug you into my support group where I'm giving you the emails and we're working on this together. I keep it really simple, guys. I'm giving you the emails to send out. I'm guiding the whole process. If at any point in the future we're not seeing the same results that we are with this, we just move to another lead source. I'm testing other things all the time. And we have lots of people in the community getting great results with different things they're testing. This just happens to be the easiest, fastest by far, least expensive way to start getting results. But if that changes, we just move to another lead source. Okay, so step one, send them your referral link. Now, when someone enrolls with you, you're going to get double the leads for the same price. You also start making some extra money that you can put into promoting. But that's not our focus here. Our focus is just using it as a phenomenal way to jumpstart our team growth and get people into momentum. But just you could go look at the affiliate section and see what you'd earn. We can also send your link out. I'll be showing you this. Like after we send a lot of emails out promoting HempWorx, we can send out your affiliate link and start making some extra commissions, because there could be people on these leads lists that you're getting who are interested in getting the leads to promote their opportunity, but might not quite be ready or open to the HempWorx opportunity. Why not monetize that as well? Okay, so here's how easy. I'm going to show you really quick to send an email from this system. First of all, let's go to my leads, and you can go in your account, and you can see I started getting leads deposited. When you first sign up, again, it's $30 setup fee, and then $30 a month. That's it. And then you get 100 leads a day, 3,000 leads a month. So that brings them to 1-cent leads. And you can email these over and over and over again. So the results that I already got, I can email those same leads and get more and more results, or send out my affiliate link here and make some extra money that way to put back into the growth of my HempWorx business. It's pretty phenomenal. And again, if the results stop coming in, we'll know it. We move on to another lead source. But for as long as we're seeing this, this is step number one. You should plug everybody into this. Again, I'm giving the emails, everything. It's pretty amazing, actually. I did not expect this. Anyway, so You see, I started getting 200 leads a day because I started referring people on the 17th. I referred somebody on the 17th, so it doubles your leads. Now it brings them down to a half a cent each. Now, I didn't actually start emailing to somewhere around the 15th or 16th. That's when I started. I haven't emailed my leads yet today. You can email from the system once every 24 hours. Once every 24 hours. You can email all of them. You can email some of them. You can email just one list if you want to. Okay, so let's go look at how and you can download from here too. You click these, you can click them all. You can download your leads and upload them into another email system. Now, I'm not going to cover that right here, right now. Let's keep it simple, but we will cover that in later tutorials. But you don't need to do that. That's what's so powerful. You can email right from here. Okay, so I'm going to go to mailing system and show you how easy it is to send emails from here. So I would just leave this selected, mail by date. You select which lists in here you want to email to. You can select them all like I did yesterday. I emailed them all. Or you can just email the new ones. So you look for the date, like in this case, February 21st, and you'd hit select. There we go. And then send from, I would just leave it where it is, send from, and that should be your name or your company name. Saved emails, as you go forward, and I'm giving you these emails to load in, you'll be able to just select. Right now, if it's your first time, that'll be blank, but it'll be saved in there for the future once you put it in here. Enter the subject that we gave you in our support group, and then this is where you put the email we gave you. I'm just going to show you real quick how to use this. If you're not used to using something like this, first delete this, or you're going to have red copy. So delete that, and then scroll down to here, and then scroll up, and then go ahead and highlight all of this and delete it. Now it will be black text. And then, go ahead and enter in the email that I gave you in our support group. One thing I do want to show you real quick, I'm just going to show you, here is the link. So how do you put a hyperlink in here? In the email, I show you what words should link to your lead capture page. Here's how you do that. Once you have your email, you would highlight the text that you want to link to, like I just did here, and you hit this little link icon up here, right there. And then you would enter your www.your domain name. Again, this is an example.com. You would enter your URL that you're wanting to link to, which I show you what that would be in our support group. And you hit OK, and then it would be a link. And when people click there, then it would go to your lead capture page. Again, I show you what the email says and what words link to your lead capture page and where it should link to. I show you that in our support group, which you should have been invited to if you're here, or if you're not, contact our support team and send them a username, and they'll add you to our support team. Here it says, please wait 5 hours and 3 minutes before your next mailing. As soon as, because I just mailed about 18 hours ago or so, once that allows that 24 hours has come up and I can email again, a little button to send would come up. So you just enter your email that I gave you, boom, hit send, and you're done. And then you can go to statistics and right away start watching the stats. And I give it about 24 hours before you take the stats seriously, and the stats improve over time from there. You can see the first email I sent out on the 16th, 45% open rate. On the 17th, 38.5% open rate, and these will just keep climbing. These were a little bit lower, but it's because I've sent them more recently. These will keep climbing. And again, so far, I've gotten 7 pre-enrollees, and I suspect I'll be getting more just from these email sends, 7 pre-enrollees and 1 enrollment already. Quite impressive. And the last time, when I measured it, it was 33 cents a pre-enrollee. That's probably not quite that good now because I just sent a couple more emails. And I'm testing some things and so forth. But the results are staggering right now. To get that inexpensive of a pre-enrollee with this easy of a system to plug people into, where you can just send right from here, or we can email the leads over and over again, it's quite phenomenal. You can go to the affiliate section, and again, you'll find your affiliate link here. I would use that one, the sales page. I wouldn't use this one. And again, I'll give you emails also in our support group that you can send out to these lists to promote the leads themselves, which will make you money. And you can see how much money you would make. Here it talks about that. But the biggest reason why that's important is it doubles your leads. And also, not all of these leads are going to be interested in what you're promoting. Like in our case, HempWorx. Some of them are in other companies they're passionate about, but those are great people to sell these leads to. So it's just another way to monetize the list, make more money, and build relationships with other, top producers out there that are promoting other businesses that may later, love the leads and later start paying more attention to other emails you're sending out and eventually join you, who have large organizations. That's how you do it, guys. So I'll guide you in the support group. That's how easy it is to send an email. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.